If you had to start investing today, what's the simplest way to actually make money in stocks? Because most people overcomplicate this, and that's exactly why they lose. But there's one simple strategy that beginners and smart investors use, and it works over and over again. Let's be real. You've probably bought a stock to late, sold to early, or had no clue what you were doing. Yeah, we've all been there. People lose money in stocks because they chase hype, panic, sell, or try to get rich overnight. That's not investing. That's gambling. So what's the simple strategy that actually works? Here it is. Buy strong companies, invest consistently, hold long term. Yeah, that's it. No crazy tricks. No secret formula. Simple beats complicated every time. Instead of trying to time the market, you invest every week or month. When prices drop, you buy more. When prices rise, you keep holding. That's how you win. This strategy works because of one thing: compounding. Your money starts making money, and that money makes more money. This isn't instant, but it's real, and it's how people build actual wealth. Here's how to start. Pick solid companies or index funds. Invest consistently weekly. Monthly ignore short-term noise. Stay patient. That's your edge. Big mistake, trying to time the market. Even pros get it wrong. Consistency beats timing. The people who win in stocks aren't the smartest. They're the most consistent. If you want simple strategies that actually work, subscribe to Stock Monster, because building wealth doesn't have to be complicated.